Good morning, everyone. I'm Joseph, project manager from LAMP. Welcome to watch the live broadcast of the LAMP booth at LED China. Hope you will like the first day of the LAMP booth. And here you can watch the whole screens and the whole design of the LAMP booth. And later, my colleague and me will introduce the products to you detailedly. And what's more, we will have discount policy today. So let's see what will happen. So for the first step, let me invite my colleague, Coffee, to do the presentation, and I will see you later. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, welcome back to LAMP Live Broadcast in LED China. I'm Kofi.
I'm Ellen. I'm Sophie.
Yeah, so today we're going to continue as we started yesterday. We're going to show you about our product and share more ideas and also promotion for you to know. So today we're going to start with RNS Plus. Yeah, later on our engineer will come here and bring it up. Yeah, let's start with RNS Plus. So we're going to show you more idea and there's some technical idea of it for you to understand our product. Yes. So for RNS Plus, the main cabinet is magnesium alloy. So when we talk about magnesium alloy, that means it's light in weight. So you can show them, yeah, how light in weight it is. You see, really light in weight. So only one person, or it doesn't matter. You don't need to be so strong to lift RNS Plus, and you can do installation. Maybe two people can do about 50 square meter installation. It's very easy to work with. That's how RNS Plus is. And one more thing you have to know is it's all front maintenance, all front access. So front access and also back access. Everywhere you can remove it easily. You can remove it very easily. You just pull it up and it's removed. So all the 4 modules are just front access. So our engineer will show you, he will use the maintenance tool to remove one module for you to check. Then you will know how it is. Very easy to work with. Yeah, you can see how he's doing it. Yeah, you use the pull it, then it's done. Yeah. Then there's one thing you have to know about it. Here is a safety tool. Here is a safety line. So this safety line is help in case maybe the installation is really up and maybe you have your structure and you try to pull the module, it will not fall down. So the moment you pull the module, this safety line will just hold it up so that nothing will happen to it. And yeah, so this is how the module look like. This is how the module look like. The size of the module is 250 by 250. So all is 250 by 250. So together become 500 by 500. That's the sizes we have. We also have different sizes. We have 500 by 1000, like 1000 by 500. Yeah, that's the tall one. Yeah. So we have 2 sizes, 500 by 500 and 500 by 1000. So let's go. Here is how the module look like. At this point, that's where the pins. So all the pins we use the gold tin. So this gold that makes it no rusting. There's no rusting here, and it fits very well. The moment you put, sometimes there are some models when you put it in the power box, you'll see there's shaking. You know, you'll see that maybe the screen will be shaking and there will be IC problem, there will be LED problem. No, that's the solution for this one. That's why we use this to protect all the kind of contact problem so that the screen will fit directly. So that's it. And we have 4 allocations from the module. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one, what does it do? In case you want to insert in it, this 4 point, it will just allocate it. Yeah, allocate all the points here, and there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will just go directly, as you can see how he's doing it. Yeah. So in case you are putting the modules up, it will just fit in very easily without any problem. You see? it's fitting very, very smoothly, and there's no lines or anything attached to it. So that's one point. Now let's go to the back side. As I said earlier on, they are all front access and also back access. You can remove everything very, very easily. Here is the control box. That's the power box. See, the control box, this power box, it includes the power supply and also the receiving card. So the power supply and the receiving card are all here. So you can see how the engineer remove it. It's so easy to remove it, really easy. And yeah, so you can just, you see, we have 2 points here. You lose the point and you just remove it. So that's how the power box look like. There's the power box. That's the main, you can just call it control box. So that's how it looks like. We have the power. I think we can bring the other power box so that we can have more clear idea about it. Because this one we use the black indication, that's why. But here are all the points, we use the gold wire. So it's fitting very directly, no rusting, and everything is very clear. You see, we have 2 types here. We show you this one. You see, this is power in. We have the signal, and we also have signal here, and we have the power out. So we have 2 signals, and we have power in and power out. What are these signs for? What are these signs for? Here, you know, there's the power in. And there's also another sign here, that's the power out. What does it do? So this shows you that maybe you are working with not so much professional people. There will be a problem. Maybe they will put the power in inside the signal, and that will damage it. It's not recommended. So you have to, it's very, very clear label. You don't need to put the power in inside, power out. Yeah, so everything here is very, very clear, and it's easy to identify. So that's how it is. This button, people ask, what is it? There's a test button. You click it, it keep on changing colors, maybe blue, red, green. Yeah, that's a test button to test the whole screen, or to test the whole cabinet, how it looks like. So that's how it is. What about this tool? What does it do? It's the handle. Yeah, it's the handle that makes it more easier to pull the power box, you know, or the control box. It's very, very easy. So when it's there, you just unlock it and you just put it. Yeah, so we will show you how it's done. There's one thing you need to know about this. When you are locking it, you just only 1 finger, you know, only 1 finger can just do it, just like this, and it's done. So easy to do the locking system and so easy to put it back. So that's how it is here. Yeah. Okay, you put this one here. So let's move on to the next level. Yeah, next level. RNS Plus is a curve design cabinet, and it's also 90 degrees and 45 degrees cabinet. It depends on how you want to do the curve and how you want to do the 90 degrees. So here is the, you can show them. This side is where we do the curve. The curve, we have negative 2.5. We also have negative 5. We have the positive 5, and we have the negative 2.5. And you can also do the straight line. So you have many options how to do the curve. Yeah, so it's like, it's a concave, like it can be like S shape, you know, this kind of S shape. So you can do the inner and you can do the outer. It depends on how you want it. Yeah. So that's how this part is. It's very, very easy to deal with it. You just turn the bottom like this. Just turn the bottom. Yeah. You turn the bottom and you keep on changing. Maybe here is plus 2.5. That's the degree. Here is plus 2.5. So you move on to, if you want to change it to negative 5. So here is negative 5 degree. Here is negative 2.5 degree. So that's how it is. So all here, if you change here to negative 2.5, then you also change here to negative 2.5. So okay, here is already negative 2.5. So this side, then you put the two cabinets together, then it will make the arc shape for negative 2.5. if you change here to 0, so here is 0 degree. Okay, okay, you lose. Yeah. So here is 0 degree. So the 0 degree, that means it's going to be straight. Yeah, all the screen is going to be straight. That's how it is. So maybe you want positive. We go to, yeah, there's positive 5. Yeah, and here is positive 5. That means it's going to be the inner curve. So we have different type, whether you want the negative or you want the positive. So that's all about the curve sign. It's so easy. You don't need anything to put inside to make a curve. No, this curve is really easy to work with. Okay. Now we move on to the curve size. The arc log here, right here. This size. Yeah. Yeah. There's the size log. All the size log are very, very easy. We have the strong string in it. Most of the curve sign, maybe the strings are not so powerful, but this one is just easy. You can see how it is. Yeah, it's really soft and very easy to work with. Yeah. That's all how the curve logs is. And also this side, you know, yeah, this side how it is. All the logs are very, very touch. Yeah, and it doesn't stuck in it. It doesn't stuck in it. Very, very easy to work with. You see, so that's how it is. Okay, we'll move on to one thing. Here is one kind of safety. Yeah, it's a kind of safety pin. The moment you put the cabinet on top of it, it will just automatically lock it. You know, when you push this one, you see, you push this one, it will just automatically lock the two cabinets together, and it will become very, very stiff. Later on, we will put one cabinet here, yeah, put on top of it, yeah. We're going to show you how it is. The moment, and also one more thing is, we have 2 pins here. So these 2 pins allocate the other cabinet. So you just need to put it here directly. You don't need to look for the edges. No, you don't need to look for the edges. It will just allocate it directly and easy to find. Yeah. So you put one cabinet here. Yeah. No, wait. You see, and we also have another one. 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's 4. Yeah, 4-sided. Okay, so you put very easy. You just allocate it. Yeah, and already fit. That's the lock here. Just few seconds, it's done. So about the installation, rental screen is all about installation. It's all about installation. So the moment you do fast installation, then it makes everybody happy. It makes the workers happy and just easy to work with. Okay, now it's okay. We can, yeah. You see how it is? Fast lock. Already removed. So in case you finish the program, just few minutes, it's already done. So that's all about it. And we'll move on to one more safety rule. It's about the 4 corners protection. Here is the corner protection. So for the corner protection, we have all the 4-sided corner protection. So the corner protection protects the edges, you see, in case there's any damage. If this thing is not there, there will be a damage here. Sometimes there will be. So you need a corner protection to protect it. And it's not only about corner protection, it's very strong. We have a strong magnetic here, and also the bolts, they are all very, very strong. You can show them how it protects. Like, you see, it's not going to happen. Yeah, very, very stiff and strong. Yeah. You see, that's it. So that's about the corner protection. You can turn it. Turn the cabinet. So that's how the corner protection looks like. So what do you have to know about RNS Plus? One, it's magnesium alloy, very, very easy, light in weight. And 2, they are all 4 corners modularized. You can just remove the model by using the model machine. Very, very easy to remove it. And 3, the back side, the control box is also easy to just remove. You just pull it like this and it's done. Yeah. And the next one, it is curve. Yeah, it is curve. You use the curve, you just turn it like this, and the curve is already set it for you. -5, +5, -2.5, +2.5. Aside that, it's also 45 or 90 degree as you want it. You can do 90 degree. You just need to cut this part up, then it's a setup. And the 90-degree cabinet, it can also mix with the normal cabinet. So this is what you have to know about RNS Plus. It's the best solution for rental business. And next one is also the safety. The safety, yeah. The safety, the corner protection, as it is. There's another thing. Maybe someone will say, oh, maybe the cabinet, why everything here is one color. No, we have other options. You can change this part to be orange, or you can change it as you want, maybe blue or any color you prefer. You can change, yeah, so the handles can be changed. Maybe it depends on maybe the colors you want to use. The safety one, you can also change the color so that it will be more easier for everyone to see that, okay, you have a safety protection here. So it depends on what you want and how you want to upgrade the RNS Plus. We can do it for you. There's one thing here is for the stacking system. So the stacking system, we have one kind of pin connection. So it puts inside here to lock it. So when it's locked, so that the cabinet itself will not fall down or maybe try to, it will just hold it very firmly. Yeah, later on, Mr. Joseph will show you how it is really done, so that you can have a clear idea. Now, we're going to show you a short video so that you know much idea about RNS Plus. In terms, I missed something out, you can just watch the video and understand much better about the RNS Plus rental product. So let's go and watch the video. Hello guys, I hope the video did great help so that you can understand more about RNS Plus. Yeah. So more I forget, you need to know that the sizes we have is 500 by 500 and also 500 by 1000. Yeah. And another thing is about the pixel pitch. So which pixel most of the times we use for rental is we have the P2. Maybe 2.6. We have the P2.9. We have the P3.9. And yeah, for maybe the outdoor, we have the P4.8. And we also have outdoor for P3.9. Yeah. And we also have outdoor for P even 2.9. And we have P 5.8. Yeah, 5.9. Yeah, 5.9. So it depends on what you want. If you have any special requirement, just let us know. And with that, we produce. So we can just do it for you according to your requirement. Okay. So this is all I want to tell you about RNS Plus. And we are also doing a promotion on RNS Plus. We have about 10% to 30% off. We are doing really big discounts on it. So you contact us and we will let you know about the kind of specification we're using. And maybe if you have any requirements, we can talk about it and try to do as you require. Okay, now we're going to show you the real screen of RNS Plus. Yeah, we're going to show you the real screen. Mr. Joseph is outside there, so he will just take it from there and show you the stacking system, the hanging bar, and everything you want to know about the rental system of RNS Plus. So thank you so much. Let's move to Mr. Joseph to show you the real screen. Thank you.
Hi, this is Joseph again. Here I'm going to introduce RNS series and the RS series to you. For this one, the pixel pitch is 2.6. As you can see, it can be designed like the cube. So if you have some rental event like the concern, something like that, I think it would be a good option for you. And you can see the performance is really nice. So have a look, please. So let's walk around and see the bigger screen. So as you can see, RNS series also can be designed like some curve and concave and convex design demand. So and you can looks like the performance also is really nice. For this screen, the widest is 6 meter and the height is 2.5 meter. So let's have a look for the performance like that. So I can see you can see the performance is really smooth and it's really nice, it's really colorful. So let's walk around and see the backside of the structure. As you can see, the structure is really stable to keep the screen stacking. So and in total, the backside is really clean, simple, and neat. So let's have a look, walk around for the backside.
Picture? I already took for you.
Are you sure?
Clear? Yeah.
Good one.
Yeah. Well, I will take more. Here, right?
So let me introduce RS series to do. RS series also can be designed like the dance floor. So as you can see, the screen is 3.9. The widest for the screen is 4 meter. The height is 2 meter. It's really stable. Even there has car coming, but there's no problem. Don't worry about this. As you can see, the performance is really nice. So please have a look for this. I can tell it's really stable. Don't worry about the quality. So for now, all screens are in 30% of discount. If you have any demand, please let us know. So I will invite my colleague to do the presentation again, and I will see you later. Thank you very much.
Okay, so let's thank Mr. Joseph for a better, clear idea about the RNS Plus. Now we are moving on to LA. What is LA? LA is outdoor product. Yeah, it's outdoor product. And what does it do? It's a new design outdoor product, which is full energy saving. So one is energy saving, and two, it is really high brightness. Yeah, about 10,000 nits. Yeah, we have more than 10,000 nits. And the third one is really good waterproof, high waterproof standard. The model is highly waterproof standard, up to even IP68. Yeah, IP68. Maybe someone will say, okay, why are you using so high, maybe IP68? Because most of our outdoor products we used to sell to the Middle East, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and you know it's really hot there. And not only that, it's about the dust, you know, the dust pollution. So that's why we use the IP68. So the dust pollution in terms, maybe there's really huge dust pollution in the Middle East. That's why we use that to protect all the the LED screen. Yeah. So what about energy saving? Why are we moving to energy saving? These days there's a big cry from most of the customers that we need energy saving. Every client is asking for energy saving. That's why we move on to energy saving cabinet to help a lot to save more energy. Yeah, that's the main ideology of it. And there's one thing you have to know. All these models are very easy to remove. It's very easy to remove. We have a certain tool we use. You can find it, the pins here. Yeah, all the models have some pins here. So you just put the screw here, then you just remove it. It's very easy to do it. Yeah, it has a kind of setting tool we use it. Later we're going to show you a video about how it is removed. Okay, so what do you have to know about LA? One is energy saving cabinet. It's really amazing how we do it. We have a certification and everything for it. And two, it's also high brightness. That's what customer needs. It's really hot and so much sun in the Middle East. That's why we produce it. We have done so many tests, a lot of tests about this thing, and we are highly recommended for you if you are in the Middle East or any other country. It's really amazing. And the next one is fully waterproof, really waterproof, good one. And dust proof, anything, it just is IP68. Yeah. And the cabinet, you know, is really light in weight. It's really light in weight. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, very light in weight. Just two guys, and we have a handle here. You just put your hands here, then you just lift it. So it's light in weight, and the thickness is really thin. That's why we call it wall mounting. We use it to just put it on the wall. You know, like this. You can just put it on the wall. Very easy to put it on the wall. So it's wall mounting, it's light in weight, it's energy saving, and high brightness. You know, anything you need in outdoor product, LA is there for you. So it's not a big difference at all. I'm going to show you how you can remove the models. Maybe there will be a big question. If it's very tall, what are we going to do? We're going to show you how to remove the models. It's very gently and easy to just do it. So we will show you how to remove the model. Hello everyone. Yeah, thank you. I hope the video did great help for you to understand about how to remove all the models very gently, and you don't need so much strength or maybe much idea about maybe LED. It's very easy to work with. Now let's move on about how the backside look like. You know, how the LA backside look like. You see, it's very neatly designed, very neatly. You see, very slim, and there's two screen, like two holes. That's where, in case you are doing the wall maintenance, you just put it on the wall, just flat. You don't need any steel grade structure. You just put it on the wall, it will just work perfectly. So here is where all the lines are. You put the lines here, you know, all the cables are here. All the cables are being here very neatly. And this side is the control box, yeah, where the power supply, yeah, the power supplies are here, and the cables, the flat cables, they are all this side. So it's very easy. We have a setting tool. You just put it here, you remove like this, and it will just come down. Yeah. Then you get to know what is actually inside here. Yeah, what is actually inside here. We have the power supply, and we also have the receiving card, all in this box. Yeah. It's not unlike maybe the traditional box. it's very, very messed up inside here. This one is clear, very neat, you know, neatly designed, light in weight, and the thickness is really ultimately slim. Yeah, very, very slim. So this is all you have to know about the backside here. Energy saving, high brightness, and all whatever you want to have is right here for you. So we're going to show you another video about how to remove this one, you know, how to just unlock it and bring it down and see what is inside, how many power supply it's used, and how many maybe cables, how the wiring is done. You need to know some idea of it. So let's show you another video about how the real maintenance is being done. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back again. Yeah, so as we were talking about the LA product, there's some few things maybe you need to upgrade it again. One is about energy saving. Yeah, this is what most of the customers are requesting for, is energy saving. And the two is high brightness. It's very, very important. High brightness, we have more than 10,000 nits. And the third one you need to know is waterproof. Yeah, it's a waterproof cabinet. And mainly the modules are IP68. Yeah, so it's really high intensive because Middle East we have dust and all those things. That's why we put it that way. And the fourth thing is also slim, very, very slim and light in weight. You just put it on the wall like the screen we have here. You just put it on the wall directly and it's easy to work with. You can also do maybe 95 degree or maybe 90 degree. You can all do all those things. Now let's talk about the good part, about promotion on the LA. We have a big promotion on the LA. Yeah, there's a big promotion on it. We have about 10 to 30% off. Yeah, that's a big discount. So just contact us. You know, maybe email or anything you can reach to us, and let's talk about the specification and everything about it. Yeah, so that's the main thing. The discount is there. It's really going on. Just contact us and get a great discount. Okay, thank you so much. We are moving on to another product. We are moving on to another product called WNX. WNX. So let's bring WNX here and show the customers how it looks like. Yeah. There's our amazing WNX. WNX is a curve design model. It's a curve design model. What does it do? It's just easy as you see here. Yeah, you can make a full curve. It's just unique design. We're going to show you many of how it's done. Yeah. This is how it looks like. See? This is the WNX. So it can curve up to 45 degrees. That's the inner curve. No, the outer curve. And the inner curve is also 95 degrees. So that's how it looks like. That's the WNX. It's really amazing. And the PCB, there's the PCB board, there's the real time, the PCB board and the LED are so strong together. You know, you just do it like this, but it's still nothing going to happen to it. Very, very strong. What you have to know about it is also having a strong magnet. A strong magnet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, that means 16 strong magnet. You can see how it is, 16 strong magnet. And the moment you just put on your steel structure, it will just hold it firmly. It will hold it very, very firmly without just removing or anything. The engineer will show you how it is done. Just remove one model. Yeah, you remove one. You see, really stiff and very, very tight to it. So there's no way it's going to move away or anything like that. One amazing thing about WNX is this, we have P2 outdoor. Yeah, we have P2 outdoor. It's really small, but it's still outdoor. It's waterproof. So we have the indoor and we have outdoor. Indoor and outdoor. We have indoor, maybe P2, we have P2.6, and we have P3, we have P4. So WNX, we have the indoor and outdoor. The outdoor too, we have P2. Yeah, that's a new design. It's a new design outdoor with P2. So see how amazing it is. Now, what do you have to know? This is a pin. Maybe in case you are doing the, yeah, see? This is the 2 pin, this is the 2 pin. So in case you are doing the installation, there's allocation here. So you just put it like this, you know? Yeah, you see? Then it will just fit in very, very easily. So that's how you don't need to maybe be looking, where is it? So it makes it very, very easy to work with. So the engineer will put it inside here. See how the installation is being done. Yeah, and very, very easy. The magnetics are very strong, really strong. So anytime, even when you're moving it, you're putting it back, that's how it is. It's really, really strong, you know. The magnetic is very, very strong. And look at here. All here is the gold line. So the gold line, it's helped to prevent any kind of rusting. It helps to prevent any kind of rusting, any kind of damage about the pins. So these pins, it's fitting very, very strongly. Yeah. So there's all you have to know about WNX. You see, the backside is really strong. The backside is very, very strong. The moment you put it this way, there's no way it's going to break. No way it's going to break. See? No way it's going to break. So it's really amazing model. That's all you have to know about it. So let's move on to how, or some video you're going to know about WNX. So let's move on to one video to show you more idea about WNX, and later on we'll come back to do more explanation. So let's move on to video to explain to you about how it is. Hello guys, welcome back. I hope the video did a great help for you to understand more about WNX, or in case I missed something out, then you can understand about it. So let's move on to the back side. If you are doing the installation, what is the most important thing, maybe most of customers ask is, how many modules you need for one control box. So you need 8 modules is to one control box. Yeah, 8 modules is to one control box. So that's how the control box is. It's very easy to remove, you know. You just control box. So that's how the control box is. It's very easy to remove, you know. You just try to open it and for them to see what is inside. Yeah. So that's how the control box looks like. You know, these are all the cables, the power cables. We have the signal, and these are the power. So power, we have power. We have power in, power out. So that's how it looks like, power in, power out. And the two are signal. That's the signal cables. So here we use, you know, there's the power supply. That's the power supply. And here is the receiving card. It depends on what you want to use. Maybe you want to use any type of receiving card. Yeah, that's according to your choice. But for power supply and everything, we make sure we use the high quality one up to the standard, yeah, the customer needs. So that's how the control box looks like. So remember, 8 modules is to one control box. Yeah, 8 modules is to one control box. You can see when we're counting it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, then we move on to the same thing here. So 4 become 8. So 8 is to 1. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Yeah, and these are the box. So you just need only one power supply to merge all the 4 modules. That's how it looks like. Okay, so let's move on. What about the curve side? Maybe someone will ask, how many modules you need to make a full circle? As you can see, here is already 4, right? So you just need another 4. So when you get 8 modules, it will make the full circle. Yeah, you get 8 modules, it will make the full circle. So if you have any big project, you just keep on putting, you just make a very simple structure. Then you keep on putting all the modules, you know, you keep on putting all the modules. It's very easy. Maybe you have outdoor project. Outdoor project, you need very small pixel pitch. Yeah, we have P2 for outdoor. Yeah, P2 for outdoor. Could you believe that? Yeah, so it's really amazing, and it's high pixels and also small pixels with outdoor. Yeah. So let's move on. What again do you have to know about it? There's the power cable, one of the cable. So this cable connect to only one here. The cable connect to only one. It doesn't need to connect to all. So you connect to one, then it can link to all of them. Then you keep on connecting. So connecting, then you'll continue to the next one. So in terms of the connection to it, it's very easy. You don't need to worry much about it. Yeah. And this one is light in weight, as you can see, very light in weight. Flexible, inner and outer flexible. The backside protect each other. From here, we have it here, the T-shape. So the T-shape just intense in it. You can see? Yeah. And it's still same. Nothing happens. Yeah. It's very strong and easy to work with. And all the magnets are very strong, firmly. Yeah, you can just remove like this. Yeah, you see how strong it is. All the models are like that. You just adjust it. Yeah, then you can put it back. Very easy. So that's all you have to know about the WNX. You know, it's just adjustment. Maybe you don't want to put it very high. You can also, it's like adjustment. It's same like the stacking system. You can just adjust it. Maybe this side, or you just put all in. It depends on your requirements, how you want it to be like. So that's all you have to know about it. And one more thing, this model can mix with some of our products, like LA or maybe LS or GN Plus. you can just put this one, the model, the WNX, attached to some of our products. That's so amazing. So in case maybe you have a big project, you don't need to buy maybe all curved screen. You don't need that. You just buy some straight screen. Maybe you can bring one straight screen. Let me explain very clearly. Like maybe you have this one straight screen, right? Then this curve. Maybe you get to some inner part. Then you use one straight screen. Then you use this curve attached to it, like this. That's so amazing. Yeah, you don't need to buy all this. No, you don't need that. Maybe you have a kind of like this, maybe this part, and the rest is going to be all curved, and the another part will be straight. So you need only one of this, or maybe two, three. Then you put like this. Yeah, then it makes the curve. So that's how it looks like. It's so amazing. Yeah. So put it back. All right. So I'll move on to Joseph. Joseph is going to show you the real screen about WNX and how we use the WNX to mix up with some other screens for you to get a clear idea about how it looks like. Thank you so much. Let's move on to Joseph.
Hello everyone, this is Joseph again. Here I'm going to introduce WNX series to you. Here you can see the screen. The pixel pitch is 2.C and as you can see, it's a really smooth curve. So, and especially it can be connected with BNX series and the GN Plus series. So let's have a look for the performance for the screen. So for this screen, the width is 3.25 and the height is 3 meters. So let's walk around, see the back side of the screen. As you can see, the backside of the WNX series is really clean without any difficult design. It can support fully front maintenance and installation. And what's more, it can be connected with GN Plus series. So if you have the similar demand, I think it would be a good solution for you. So, and it will save the cost. So if you have the similar demand, you can let us know. And for now, I will invite my colleague to do the presentation again. And thank you very much, and I will see you later.
Yeah, thank you so much, Joseph, for more explanation about the real screen, how the WNX looks like, and how it is being mixed up with some of the other products. Yeah. So now let's move to the perfect part about promotion. Yeah, we are doing promotion on the WNX. We are giving very good price on it. We have about 10 to 30% discount. Yeah, we are giving off 10 to 30%. So there is really good news among this kind of era about the exhibition. So just contact us and let's talk more about it. How the kind of specification you need. Maybe you need P2 indoor or outdoor. You need P2.9, you need a P3.9, you need P3, you need P4, which brightness. Just let's talk. Send us email and let's discuss about it. Which project you have, anything, we can do it, and let's work together. So that's the main idea we are doing this. Let me wrap up through again. This WNX, what is the main thing? It's a curve, 45-degree in, out, 45-degree in. So that's what you have to know. The next thing is very light in weight, and all the magnetic are very, very strong magnetic. You need eight models is to one power box. 8 models is to one power box. Yeah. So the power box consists of the power supply and the receiving card. So this all you have to know about it. And if you want to make a full circle, you need 8 models. Yeah, 8 models to make a full circle. As you can see here, it's only 4. So you put another 4 here, then to make a full circle, that is 8. So that's all you have to know about WNX. And tune in, we still have more explanation we have to show you. We have a lot of products. So stay with us today as we keep on showing you all our products. I'm going to invite Elaine to continue with the presentation. Elaine. Yeah.
Hello, Coffee.
Yeah. Welcome.
Hello.
Yeah. So thank you, Tony.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Coffee.
All right. You're
Okay.
welcome.
Hello, everyone. This is Ellen from LAMP. Welcome to our live broadcast. Today, I will show you 2 series products, and hope this year all over the world break out the COVID-19. So everyone is very hard during these times. So the first of all, hope every one of our friends are good and staying safe during this crazy day. Now, let me to introduce our rental products. Engineer, thank you. Today, this product is for our rental. It can use for the indoor and outdoor. The name is called RCX series. It has 2 sizes. This is smaller size, 500 by 500. We have another size, is 500 by 1000, bigger one. So you can choose what you want. And this one, the pixel pinch for indoor is for 2.6, 2.9, and 3.9. For outdoor is for 3.9, 4.8, and 5.9. This is pixel pinch is for the popular pixel pinch. So you can use in many events, and so you can choose what you like. So now let's see this product's features. The first one is for its modular design. You can see this is our independent power box. Yeah, this power box is independent. You just adjust this switch so can take it very easily. This power box you can see, you can say any other things. Here, very looks simple and looks concise. You can see this power supplies and the cable and the receiving card all integrated inside. So you can say nothing, and also can help you to save the safeties. And you also can see this is useless connectors. It connects to the modules here. Here, no use the cable, so it's very good to avoid the cable accidents. And you can see it's for our plastic signal and power supplies, all inside and outside. So when the waters come into here, it can protect the waters better. So have the waterproof function. Another is for 1 for more design. 1 for more design, what is 1 for more? It can be straight and curve and can be dance floors. For the curve, it has 10 degrees. So you can see this is for our curve lock. You can adjust what you want. Every degree is for 2.5. You can adjust inner or outer, what you want. And then when you choose the degrees you want, you just fasten here. Fasten here, so it cannot move. Another is for the dance floors. Maybe you buy the screens before. You will buy the normal one for the event and another one for the dance floors. So it will cost you double cost and let you to waste more money. But these products we can use for the indoor and we can use indoor and outdoor, and also for dance floor. All the function integrated in together. You just put the acrylic mark on the surface and then use the support bar put on these holes, and then can be to be the dance floors. And another, we can see the module is for the magnetic, so it can front and back maintenance. 拆一下。This is for our front maintenance too. This is for our front maintenance too. It uses the air pressure to make the module down. You can press this button, and then have the air pressure here, and then take the module down very easily. Okay, this is for front maintenance. Just use this. Use the air pressure to make this. And maybe some of our friends will say, your Manix, is it can use for long time or not? Because I want to use the screens for more than 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, or like this. If you worry the magnet, I show you the magnet is strong enough. And then if you worry the magnets will have a problem in the future, don't worry. Here have the cable, the fasten cable here. It lost the module. So if you worry about it, it can help you to save. It can help you to avoid some accidents. It can lock here. And then it's our up and down lock. It can fasten, help you to installation the screen. And then also have the left and right. And here have the 4 corner protector to protect the lamp. It's very strong and help you, in event, maybe very easy to broken the lamp here, but the corner protector to help you to protect better. And you can see on the bottom, we have the step. We have the step here, so can make you to. This is anti-damage design. It can protect the bottom lamp. And also, it's also the position and pins. So when you installation, it helps you to fast to make the position right. And you can see this material, we use the die-casting aluminums. So it's very strong. It's strong enough to be the dance floor, and also strong, very accuracies. So when you installation, no need to worry about the gap here. So now let's see about the videos about our introduction. Okay, welcome. Thanks for our Joseph introductions. Okay, now let's back to this products. Now we will introduce our indoor fixed products, GN Plus. Let's see the back. This series only used for the indoor. Yes, for the fixed. You can see the module also can be front and back maintenance. The module use the magnetic. So let our engineer to show you how to take the module down. This is for the front maintenance too. Use the air pressure. This is for the module. Module is 250 by 150. And this is for the back. This is handle, too easy to take the module. And then you can see this module is special design. This is bottom cover shells. But this bottom cover shell is not cover all the module. You can see this is for our PCB board. PCB board, it can touch the cabinet frame directly, so this design can be good dispersion and make the screens more flattened. And this is for our signal connection. You can change the module everywhere. And you can see this is for our magnet. This one is for our magnet. So you can use the front maintenance to take the module down. Another yes, this is for our cable. Yeah, signal cable here. Connect the module here. This one is for the back side. This is for our control box. It can easy to take. And this is for the cable. Here have something hanging the cable. You can see this is for the receiving card, hub card, and this one is for power supply. Here also have the safety cable to ensure some accident. And then you can see here is for our signal hole. This one is for power supply cable. And also, this is for also have the corner protector here. Okay, next one is for the multi-wall design. What is multi-wall design? You can see our back. This one can be installation like these screens. This is our cell design multi-bar. It's very thin, so it can help you to save the space. Especially in the CBD, you know, space is money. So if it's thinner, so you can help you to save more money and save more room. Another is for the good dispersion. As you know, just now I say here the PCB board can touch the cabinet frame directly. So it's very good for the heat dispersions and don't make the modules have the problems. And also you can see the power board here. The power supplies touch the bottom cells directly, so it can give the heat and easy to dispersions. And just now, for the beginning, I say this is for the indoor. As you know, indoor maybe the brightness is about 800 or 10,000 nits. But no, this one we can reach 4,500 nits. So you can use in some place, it's semi-outdoor. So it's good for you to win the business more. Another, you can see our fasten lock. This is our fasten lock. You can lock it inside and then push it. 2 steps can finish. Very easy to operate. This one is for the left and right. This one, we also, maybe you will miss some projects for the special size. You cannot win the projects, but don't worry. This series can combine with our another series. Just now, my colleague Coffee introduced to you. It can combine to be curved and other shapes, so you can help you to make more variant. Can you show the pictures? Okay, pictures. You can see the pictures here. It can make more shades and combine with the other series. And another function is for 1 for more design. 1 for more, it can for straight and also can be curved and 90 degrees. Another, it can for the cube. For the cube, not for 4 face, but it can for 6 face. So you can use this product to make more project and make the project variant. So now let's see the videos to know about this advantage again. Please.
Hello everyone, this is Joseph again. Here I'm going to introduce GN Plus series to you. Here you can see the screen. As you can see, it can be connected with WNX series and the BNX series. So if you have really smooth curve demand, I think it would be a good solution for you. Here you can see the performance. And you can see the corner is really smooth. So let's walk around and see the backside of the control room. So here you can see the backside of the GM Plus series. It's really clean, neat and simple, and especially it can be connected with WNX series. So it can achieve really smooth demand, and it can support fully front maintenance and front installation, or rear maintenance and rear installation. So if you have demand, please let us know. So currently there are 30% off discount. So if you have inquiry, just send us. Thank you very much. I will see you later.
Okay, thank you for my colleague Joseph to show you about the screen's performance. Now we also have some promotion for the our products just now I introduced to you. The first one is for the 10% to 30% for the screens. Just now I introduced to you. Another, we have 500 square meter stocks now. So please catch these times, because this time is biggest promotion this year. So you can catch this time, and if you have any question, you can write the comments or contact our sales assistants. They will call you the discounts and give the quotation for you. Okay, now my presentation today is finished. Thank you for your listening. And now welcome to my colleague Suki to introduce the products for you. Hello, Suki.
Hi, Aileen.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, thanks, Aileen's introduction. Hi, everyone. This is Suki. Now I'm going to do the introduction part for you. So I will introduce you 3 products altogether.
Sure.
2 of them are fine pitch products. One is HNA series. Another one is HNC Pro series. Another one I will introduce is our indoor standard solution that is called BNX series. So maybe we can, let's go. So the first product I'm going to introduce you today is our HNA series. Now let's look at some basic information of it first. The HNA series is a fine pitch product with pixel pitch options of 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, 1.8, and 2.5. Its cabinet size, as you can see, is the standard 16 by 9 ratio cabinet. So by its width is actually 600 millimeter, and the height is 337.5 millimeter. So with this perfect 16 by 9 ratio, actually we can easily reach Full HD, 2K, 4K, or even 8K screen perfectly. The weight of the cabinets, one cabinet is 6 kilograms. So you can see one man, even our engineer Aaron, one person, he can lift it easily. So the installation of it is quite easy and quite convenient. Its thickness is only 40 millimeter by this product, so it's quite suitable for wall-mounted solution. As for the installation, it's as it is wall-mounted, so actually it is full front installed and full front serviced. This is the structure, inside structure without the module. We will show you how to maintain the module later, so let's see how the inside structures first. As you can see from inside, its structure is quite neat, with just one big hub card, one receiving card on it, and one power supply. The cables are tied up by these black wires, by these white stickers to tie it up to make it look quite simple and neat. As you know, for fine pitch product and the front installed the wall-mounted solution, the neat look is quite important. So as you can see, for the module connection to the cabinet, we adopt this pin connection. That means there will be no cables between modules and cabinet. So the signal and data transmission will be better. Apart from this, we also use some wireless connection here of the main cable and main data. So we design all all design will be a wireless design. Apart from that, as you can see, we also leave some space here. The reason for this is that, for fine pitch products, they are mainly used in the high-end places like cinemas, airports, and ballrooms. So the stability is quite important. So we leave this room actually to do the backup solution. This is the first solution that we can back up. That is, we can, by making one more power supply and one more receiving card in certain place to make the double backup. So if one power supply or one receiving card break up, another one will be activated and to back up another one. So the whole cable can keep working without any accident happening. Another solution that we can choose for backup is special for this series is that actually we also have the power supply of adjacent cabinet to support. What does that mean? That means actually if we do have another cabinet here, and if the power supply of this cabinet breaks down, actually the power supply of this cabinet can back up this one. They share common current. So if the power supply of this cabinet breaks down, actually this one can back up this one. So that means actually this is a more cost-effective backup solution, and this is just for this series. So as you can see, as it's wall-mounted, so its back cover is just a full black cover. Besides, we designed a test button here, so we can test the cables, the cabinets easily to test it signal or data. Okay, so that is the basic information of this cabinet. Oh, one more thing. For this cabinet, actually, it is made by aluminum die-casting aluminum. So with this die-casting aluminum, actually its flatness is quite good. So you may want to know, as I just mentioned before, it is full wall mounted. You would like to know how it will be installed. Here we have a video to show you how it will be installed. So let's enjoy it. So as you can see, our installation is quite easy, isn't it? So let's now talk about the service parts. For the service parts, now I would like to invite our engineer Aaron to show you how to do the maintenance part. First of all, let's show you the service tool. This one is what we use for the 5-pitch product. It is a vacuum tool, so we just need to use it and put it close to our module and then press this button, and by vacuum, the module will be taken out. Now let's invite our engineer Aaron to do the example. So as you can see, actually the design of our module is without back shell, and its connection to the cabinet is by 8 strong magnets on the module. Another advantage of this design is that actually when we designed it without back shell, and when we install it to our cabinet, it can stick to the cabinet direct, which means its flatness can be guaranteed. Plus, as we all know, with so many pixel pitch on a module, the heat dissipation will be a problem. So we designed this module without back shell. All the components will have more space for heat dissipation. Okay, now let our engineer Aaron to put it back. Okay, so actually I just mentioned that the service of this product is full front maintenance. So how will the power supply and receiving card be maintained from the front? So to let you have a good idea, we have also prepared you a video. So let's have a look at it. So as you can see from the video, actually the service work is quite easy also for our HN8 series. So as some clients may ask me, is this product will be CE certified? And the answer is definitely correct. We will use CE power supplies, and we will use some EMC magnetic ring if the product is required for EMC. In addition, we will also put our product to pass the EMC test. So if you are worried about the EMC part, that is actually not a real problem for us. Okay, so as you can see, these two cabinets are the same, and including their backside. So its backside, as we just mentioned before, is quite flat and it's quite simple. And we have the signal buttons here to show where it goes wrong. Okay, so this is the basic information of this project. But if you think that's all, then you underestimated us, because for this product, we actually also have some creative value-added function, like we can deserve it with curve. And this one is actually a curved cabinet. As you can see, we can not only do the cabinet curved, but the module can also be curved. The maximum curvedness that it can achieve is 18 degrees. So as you know, even though the curved 5-pitch product is not the mainstream in the market, but there always are some projects might require that. So if we have this, so we do not have to seek another solution to replace this one. So it's quite a value-added function. So that's it for our HNA series. If you would like to know more, actually we prepared you a video with several information. So hope that will impress you more. So let's enjoy it. Okay, so that is the first product I'm going to introduce for you. Now let's welcome our second product. That is another one, 5-pitch product called HNC Pro. For this product, the main difference from that one is, as you can see, is cabinet size. Its cabinet size is 480 and 480. So it's a standard 1:1 ratio cabinet. Its pixel pitch has 1.6, 1.8, and 2.5. The weight of one cabinet is just 6 kilograms, so one man install is is possible. And its thickness, as you can see from the side, the thickness of this cabinet is just 58, so it's also quite suitable for wall mounted. In addition, we also have some front installation, back installation, and we also have the design hanging bar. So if you have solution that need hanging bars, this is achievable. So let's see its module. So by seeing its module, maybe we will invite our engineer Aaron to do the service work for you. So for 5-page product, we use all the same tool, like this one, and this is called vacuum tool. Its operation is quite easy, and Aaron will show us again. Okay, so let's see the module first. So you can see for this product, it has the back shell, but there is no back shells on the 4 edges. So the reason for this is that same as HNA, that we would like this module to stick on the cabinet direct, so its flatness can be guaranteed. And as you can see, we also designed some heat dissipation hold here. So as we mentioned before, for 5-page product, heat dissipation is always a first consideration. So we designed this for this purpose. And in addition, we also have a ring on the back side. So when the engineer to do the service work, we can hold it by this ring, quite easy and quite convenient. The weight of per module is quite light, as you can see, and it's just 1 kilogram. So let our engineer Aaron to show you to take down one module by one more time. One more by the tool, yeah. So the modules are the same, but the reason I would like our engineer to take one more is to show you the inside structure. So as you can see, the inside structure, there is a power supply and there is a receiving card. It's quite neat. The whole look quite neat. And in the service, we can do it is the full front service. That means we can take down these 2 whole modules and we can just service by the front. So for this product, actually, we can also do the back service. As you can see, we designed a big control box at the back side, so clients can open it by this side lock quite quickly. And you can see, just as I mentioned, 1 power supply, 1 receiving card, and just some cables inside. Okay. You see, it's quite easy. Okay, so another feature actually for this product is that it can use for both fixed and rental. When it is used for fixed, we will use the bolt locks. But when it is for rental, we can use it by this fast loop. So the connection of cabinets is quite fast, which we know is the basic requirements for our rental products. Another one is for rental, we will also have some corner protection here to protect LEDs at 4 corners. So the basic information of our HNC is like this. So like other products, we also have some additional value added additional for this product. That means actually this one can also make curve. The curve, we make curve as we will use the curve block here. So the degree can be customized depending on the project. So if you have any project that would need a 5-page curve, maybe this one will be another option. So for more details, you can contact our email address with your specific project details. So our sales will help you better. Okay, this is the basic information of our HNC Pro, and In addition, actually, I would like to mention that we do have one sample screen here in our live stream room. That is the screen at the back side of mine. This one is 1.6 pixel pitch, and it's the 4x4 screen. And actually, this one is on sale at this moment, and its price is quite cost effective. That is, you just need 10,000, and you can take this screen back home. So if you have any project that might use this screen, maybe this is a good deal that you can consider about. So for more information of this screen, actually you can also email us, and we will give you more details on the components and etc. All the information that you want to know. Okay, that's the basic information of our HNC Pro product. Now we also prepare you a video that with more details, so let's enjoy it. So that's our second product. Now I'm going to introduce our last product, which is the indoor standard solution, which is quite perfect for retail solution. So if you have many projects that are from retails, this one you may need to pay attention to because it may fit you quite well. So this series is BNX series. It's standard indoor solution. Its cabinet size are quite multiple, as we have 250 fixed height, but we have many size on wide. Like we have 500, and we have 750 and 1,000. In addition, this year we also come out with the big cabinet, like we have 500 by 500. 500 by 750 and 500 by 1,000. So with these so many cabinets, another greatest feature that I would like to mention now is that, as you can see from our video, with so many multiple cabinets, actually they can be connected with each other. So that means if we have some project with some weird size, we can use some small cabinets and big cabinets to achieve the size perfectly. And actually, later I will also show you a picture that shows how BNX can make many creative shapes later. So let's look forward to that. So let's have some basic information of this product first. For this product, for this one is 500 by 250, and its weight is actually for this one is just 3 kilograms. So actually one man can just lift it by one hand easily. And let's look at its thickness. Its thickness is just 48 millimeters. So and same, quite similar to HNA series, is quite suitable for wall mounted. And for the material of this cabinet, we use die-casting aluminum. So its flatness is quite good as when it is produced, it will be produced as a whole. So it's actually its hardness is quite strong also. So let's let our engineer to take down to do the maintenance work, and so we can see the inside structure. So we take down this module also can buy this vacuum tool. I know some clients may not like the vacuum tool so much, but we also have another option that is by magnetic. But if you are interested, you can email us and our engineer will show you the magnet tool. And basically the magnet tool is actually for the big pixel pitch above 2. So, okay, now let's look at this module first. So we can see that actually for this module is designed without back shell. So it just by 8 strong magnets on the modules. So by stick to the cabinet direct, same as the previous ones, its flatness can be guaranteed. Plus, there will be more space for the components to dissipate the heat. Okay, let our engineer Aaron to take another one also. So you can see the operation is quite easy. One man can do all the work. And actually the weight of the cabinet is just 1 kilogram, so it's quite light. So let's have a brief look at the inside. As you can see, there is only one power supply, one receiving card here. And actually for BNX, we can also do the double backup solution. That means we can do double power supply and double receiving card, and same function as HNA to increase its stability. And also we have some warm stickers here to warn our clients that this is the data out or data in. So this is for safety reason. Another warm design is that we have this a kind warmer here that will show you which side is power supply and which side is receiving card. So when all the it may not function so you may not see it function so well by just one single cable cabinet. But when as we all know that if there is a project comes, actually they need a lot of cabinets installed together. So if we do the maintenance work, we just take down one module, and by seeing this little design, we can tell which way is the receiving card and which way is the power supply quite easily. So engineer do not have to take down all the modules to check it. So this is quite time saving and energy saving. So let's look at the back side of this cabinet. The back side of it is black cover, and as we said, it is made by die-casting aluminum. So its flatness is quite good. and actually it's quite strong for collision. And also we will also have the test button here to do the easy check for any problem arising. So that's it for our BNX series. As I mentioned just at the very beginning, that the biggest advantage of this product is that it can make multiple shapes, which is quite suitable for retails. So let me show you a picture of all the shapes that we can make. So as you can see that apart from the big cabinet and small cabinet can be combined together, we can also make some rotary work. That means the cabinet can be installed vertical or horizontal. So with this design, we can make actually some creative shapes like mute wire, some logos like lamp, and also apart from that, we can also cut corner, and we can make a corner, we can make a column, and also we can make a cube. So a lot of creative shapes as long as you can imagine, and we can help you to achieve that. Okay, so that's the basic information of our BNX series. In fact, another one I would like to mention at last is that for this product, it covers wide pixel range. Its minimum pixel pitch can reach 1.5, and the biggest one we can reach is 3.9, which is actually quite mainstream in the market. Okay, that is the basic information of our BNX series. Now I prepared you a detailed video to impress you more with the above features. So let's enjoy it. So this is the all the products that I will introduce for you today. I hope you will like it. So apart from that, actually we are having some quite attractive special deals during our exhibition. And altogether we have 3 activities. So please allow me to introduce it for you, and I hope you will get it from somewhere. Okay, so let's begin. The first one is actually we do have some products on the exhibition booth will be on sale during this period, and actually on the previous time our colleague Joseph showed you some. In case you miss some of them, you can just email us to have more detailed information, and our sales will help you. The second one is that if you place order during this period, during this exhibition period, actually you can get from 10% to 30% discount, 10% to 30% off of on your orders. So that is a quite attractive offers that we offer during this time. So if you have projects that might suitable, please do not miss this one. Okay, for the last one, apart from these 2, we also prepared some store that altogether there are 5 square meters with multiple products. And here I would not go to some details, but if you would like to know, for this stock, they are finished stock, and we have really attractive price on them. So if you're interested, please do not hesitate to contact our email address, and we will give you all the information you want. So that's it for our promotion activities. Now please allow me to welcome my colleagues back to do some quick question answer.
Thank you so much, Suki.
Hi, welcome back, my colleague. Now, you know, some of our clients might have some questions on our products. Now, let us to solve their problems on site.
Thank you so much, Suki. So, as you were saying, there are so many questions from the customers. So, I'll answer your question, Mr. Jim. Yeah, the first question is from Jim. He was saying the RNS Plus. That's the first one, the rental. Yeah, can you bring RNS Plus so that maybe they can understand? Yeah. So you can take this one away. Yeah. So RNS Plus, Mr. Jim was asking. The first question was, what is the brightness, or maybe the indoor brightness? How much you can do for indoor brightness? Okay, this for rental, but indoor brightness we can do up to, in terms of maybe 1.9. 1.9 we can do up to 2,000 nits. But if you want more, it depends. We can talk about it. We can customize as what you want. And the 2.6, 2.62 we also have we have 1,000 nits. We have 1,200 nits. For the film industry, some people they use it for filming, yeah, or maybe in a television show, or maybe you want more higher brightness. We can also give you up to 3,000 nits, or 2,000 to 3,000 nits as you request. In terms of 3.9, we can do about 4,000 nits. We can also do 5,000 nits for indoor. Yeah, we can do that. So in terms of the brightness, it depends on your requirement, and we just change some few things, and we will increase the brightness according to what you need. Okay, so Mr. Jim, I think your answer, your question has been answered. And the next one is from Ike. Okay, so Ike from UAE. He said, what is the sizes? And are you sure the corner protection will not remove? Are you sure the corner protection will not remove? Okay, the corner protection actually we use magnet. Yeah, there's magnet here, but we also have a screw. You can check, there is a screw there. Yeah, very tight screw, so it's very fit inside, and there's no way it's going to remove. We have done a lot of tests about that, and we are strongly sure that nothing will happen to it. Okay, and the another one. Okay, for the sizes, we have 500 by 500, and we have 500 by 1000. 500 by 500 and 500 by 1000. Yeah, the tall one. So it depends on what you want, and we will do for you. So I'll switch on to Elaine to also answer some questions for you. Thank you so much. Elaine.
Okay, there have friends from South Korea. He say for the rental products, how about the fry case? The fry case, we have two sides, and you can choose the 1-in-6 for the bigger one, and 1-in-8 for the 500 by 500. So you can choose what you want. And if you want to buy 1-in-7 or in 4, or you can choose just according your choose. We can do. Don't worry. And for the fixed GN Plus, we can. For the standard, we use the wooden box. But if you think wooden box is very heavy, so you can choose fry case also. You just choose what you want. Don't worry. And another, let me see. It say how about the GN Plus can be curved or not? Yes, because they say I cannot see the curl lobe. Can show the sample. They can see the curl lobe. But don't worry, we can curve because we have the connect plans, so you can adjust the angles what you want. So don't worry, it can curve. And another friend say, is the GN Plus have the corner protector or not? Because now not here. Yes, we can do. The place we can use for the corner protectors, but this is options. So you can choose. If you want, please tell me before you place the orders, so we can help you to add this. Because you know, for fixed, we don't carry on the screens for normal. So for the standard, we don't have. But if you want, we can do. Don't worry. Okay, now the question I answer is finished. Welcome to Suki.
Thank you, Eileen. So the questions that I received from our clients is about HNC Pro. So let our engineer Aaron to bring a cabinet so I can better explain. So a client from UK, Daniel, is asking why the control box is a little bit bigger than other products. As I just explained before, because actually for this product we can do the dual backup solution. That means we can add additional one power supply and additional one receiving card here. So we need to leave some space on the control box. Plus, as if we leave more space, actually it will also good for the heat dissipation. So that's why the control box is a little bit bigger than others. Another client is asking me that, and Daniel, he is asking that. Just now I mentioned we can do it by wall mounted. So will us, so if they need some steel structure, can us offer that too? The answer is yes, we can do that for you. Just tell us more details on the project, and we can help you with the diagram, and we also can make you the steel structure. So that's all for the. That's all the questions from Daniels on HNC Pro. So let's hand it to Coffee for the next questions.
Thank you so much, Suki. So we will go back to RNS Plus again. RNS Plus again. Okay, so let's move on. The next question is, it was like, can we remove everything? Like, is it model-like? As I explained earlier on, yes, it's model-like. The power supply, the models, you can remove everything. You can just remove it. Yeah. So here you can remove it. Yeah, as I showed in the early video. And there's the models, all the four-sided. Yes, you can remove everything. It's all model-like. So there's nothing like back maintenance. They are all front maintenance. When you remove this model, you can also remove this back and maybe push it through here. Yeah, so it's full front maintenance. That's what some customers they want to know. It's full front maintenance. And yeah, Mr. Sashi from Dubai was asking about the curve. He said, what is the maximum curve we can do? What is the maximum and minimum curve we can do? Okay, so there's the curve. There's the curve lock. The curve lock we can do up to 5 degrees. For RNS Plus, we can do up to 5 degrees. So we can do outer 5 and the inner 5. So that's the maximum and the minimum curve we can do. We can do up to 5, positive 5 and negative 5. So that's what Mr. Sashi was asking about. Yeah, so I think I've answered your question on the RNS Plus. So we can move on to, we finished this one. Let's move on to WNX. WNX we have here. WNX. Okay, so one bigger question people were asking was, this models, this magnet, is it strong enough? Yes, it is. It's really strong. It's very, very strong. We have 16 each. Like here is 8 and here is 8. Yeah, as the engineer bring here, you can see from here. The modules are very, very, the magnets are very, very strong. It is very, very strong. You can remove one and put it back again and for them to see. There's no way when we put it, it will remove. It will never remove. The magnets are very strong. Okay, so I think I've answered that question about whether the magnet will remove or not. It will not remove. And also, there is a screw here, like, you know, it's attached to it. So there's no way that the magnet will just fall off, because there's some complaints that, oh, maybe there will be a way this magnet will fall off. No, it will not fall off. It's like this, you see? So they have a screw here, like, it's kind of like a bolt. So you just put it back. Yeah, it's just like that. So there's no way it will fall off. There is no way. It's very, very strong. It's not just any kind of model, magnet. It's very, very strong attached to it. Very, very strong attached to it. Okay, let me move on to Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh from Turkey. Yeah, okay. Rajesh. Okay, so he was asking how many models makes, or how many models then we need a power box or control box. We need 8. We need 8. 8 models each to one control box. So the control box consists of the power supply. As you can see, the power supply and the receiving card. Here's the receiving card. So that's how it is. It's very, very easy to do it. And the next one was like, so how many, or what is the minimum, or the minimum circle you can do? What's the minimum circle you can do? It's 8. We use 8 models to make the minimum circle. So here is like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. So when you add another 4, that will make a whole circle. So that's the minimum circle we can do on the WNX. So I hope I've answered a lot of questions. And if you have more, just keep on asking. You can put it in the comments, or you can also email us or send us a message. Any way you can do it, and we will answer your questions. So thank you so much. I'm moving on to Elaine to continue with the answering of the questions. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you for coffee. Yes, just now I talk about the promotion policy. Maybe some friends write the comments here and say, oh, I a little confused about the policy. Yes, now I will talk about again. The policy 1 is for the 10% to 30% discounts for customers. This discount is not for all the series, just for the promotion products. And promotion products, different products have different discounts. So if you're interested, or if you're interested in the products, you need to contact our sales. They will talk about to you directly and will give you this product, the promotion or discount is like this, another is like this. So you need to contact our sales. They will tell you about this. Now, because now in the live broadcast, we cannot tell all of the series, the discount like this. So I just tell you 10% to 30%, so you can choose what you want. And another friend say, How about the brightness of the GN Plus series? Yeah, GN Plus. Okay, let's see the sample. Maybe you forget the sample. GN Plus. This one. Our brightness can be the normal 1920 nits. Refresh. This is for refresh for the normal one. And also we can do the high refresh for 3840. Yes. So you can choose what you want. If you want the high refresh, you can tell our sales, or need lower, you also can tell. So you need to pre-order before you need to tell our sales, so they can choose what you want for use. And another customers say, how about the connect and the power cable? This is for our cable. You can see this is for our cable, like this. This is, yes, this is power in, this is power out, and this is for signal. This is for signal in, signal out. Use the signal cable here. Just for the normal, we use for the internet like this. Very easy. So don't worry if you in event or you others you miss the cable, you just can buy. And this one is fastened here. It's not for you to invoice you miss this. Very convenient for you. And here also have the hanging. So that looks simple and concise. Okay, next let our colleague Suki to answer the questions.
Thank you, Eileen. So I've got a client called Derek. He wants to know more about our BNX series. So let's bring back the BNX cabinet to do more demonstration. So Derek is asking, can your BNX be hanging? Yes, actually we have designed a hanging bar for this product, so actually it can be hanging. And he is wondering, as he has a project that would be need to be window shop solution, so it will need more height brightness. Actually for this series, I just forgot to mention that actually for this series we also have some high bright solutions. That is, we can change it with some high brightness LEDs to make its brightness to 3000 also. So if you have any window shop solution that might need this, actually this product can achieve that. And we have another one. We have Susan is asking this question: this product that can this one be curved? Actually, for this product, it can be curved, but actually the maximum of its curve is limited. So if it's just 5 degrees would be the maximum. So if your product would need the larger curve, maybe WNX that Coffee just introduced you would be more suitable. However, it depends on the project. So maybe if you can let us know more details, we may help you to find more suitable solutions. Okay, so that's it for the BNX questions. Yeah, let's welcome Coffee to answer more.
Thank you so much, Suki. Thank you. So we will move on to the next questions. That's about LA, the outdoor. Yeah, LA. It will show on the screen for you to see. So there's from Tariq. Yeah, Tariq from Saudi Arabia. It's like, what is the maximum brightness you can give us? What is the maximum brightness you can give us? Normally we were just doing about 6,000, 5,000, 8,000, but now we have 10,000 nits. Yeah, we have 10,000 nits. So there's nothing to worry about the Middle Easterns. Yeah, we have more higher brightness for you. Yeah. And the next question was, is this cabinet energy saving? Yeah, it's LA energy saving. Yes, it's energy saving. At the earlier stage, that's what I said. that this is a new design, it's LA, and it's energy saving, and it's high brightness. So please keep in mind, it's energy saving and it's high brightness. Yeah, so you have to always remember about that. It's a unique design. Okay, and the next question was like, are you sure you have IP68? Yeah, yes, it's IP68. The model is IP68. There's nothing to worry about water or dust. We are very sure about that. And we did a lot of testing concerning the waterproof and the dust proof. So the model itself is IP68 for the LA outdoor. Yeah, it's IP68 for the LA outdoor. So it's very unique design. And in terms of waterproof, dust proof, energy saving, high brightness, they are all unique design. Okay, and we move on to, okay, what are the sizes? Okay, what are the sizes you have for LA? LA, we have different sizes. We have 960 by 960 in terms of millimeter, and we also have 960 by 1280. Yeah. If you also have any other, we can also do 1280 by 1280. It depends on your request or the type of project you have. We can do the size for you. For the size, it doesn't matter. And the next question was, what are the materials you are using for the LA? Okay, what are the materials you are using for LA? We have aluminum. As we said earlier on, that's why it's very light in weight. Some customers also prefer steel structure. Steel structure is actually like a steel cabinet. It's a little bit heavier, but it's cost effective. So it depends on what you want. We are a manufacturing company, so we can do for you. It's not a big deal. Yeah, so that's all the questions we have for LA. And let me remind you again, LA is energy saving, it's high brightness, it's high intensive in terms of waterproof, dust proof. It's very good. It's for IP68, so it's unique design. And it's very thin, light in weight. And in terms of the pixel pitch, we have P10, we have P8, we have P6.6, we also have P5. Yeah, we have P16. Yeah, and if you want more, it depends on your request, and we're going to do for you. So I will invite my other colleagues, Elaine and Suki, to join us, and let's say goodbye to you all. So guys, come on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks so much, Coffee.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys.
Okay, please don't miss our promotions. Please remember, we in these exhibitions we have 10 to 30% for the products discounts. This is the biggest one in this year, so please don't miss. Another, we have 500 square meter stores in factories. Now we also have the very good price and very big discounts. So please, if you have any interest, please don't hesitate to contact our sales. Also have the big discounts in these exhibitions, and don't miss these times.
In fact, we also have another live stream show in this afternoon at 2 a.m. to 5 p.m. Excuse me, it's at 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. by China time. So if you are interested in it, please stay in touch and keep following us. So let's see you this afternoon. Bye, guys.
See you.
Bye-bye. See you. Thank you so much. Bye.